right. So, good morning. My name's Ishwar Iyer. I'm one of the lead forecasters here at the Weather Service in Wakefield. And if you want to follow along in the handouts, we have the PDF version of this briefing. So, getting into it, we're starting off this morning pretty cool, and the seasonably cool and mostly dry weather will continue through the end of the week. But rain chances and milder weather return this weekend, especially Sunday into the first part of Sunday night, with a potential for a widespread half-inch to inch, maybe even a little more than that across parts of the area. And maybe we'll see a couple rumbles of thunder later Sunday into Sunday night, but not really expecting a widespread severe weather or anything like that. So, and marine, just sub-advisory through Friday night with northeast winds, and then with a southerly wind Sunday night, potentially a period of small crafts. And again, that high pressure remains in control through the end of the week before a warm front crosses the area Saturday. Then this week, it's a weak cold front crossing the area Sunday night, and the mild weather actually continues early next week before a little bit stronger of a cold front comes through around New Year's Day. And after that, we'll definitely see, at least it's looking like starting, after the 2nd of January or so, we'll see a stretch of below average temperatures. Up to a half-inch of rain's possible through Sunday morning. But note that this map doesn't include what's the bulk of the rain that's expected this weekend, which is later Sunday into Sunday night. Again, through Sunday morning, most of the rain, and that'll mainly be Saturday night into Sunday, will be west of 95 with little to no precip in the southeast part of the area. Again, this is pretty much all Sunday night. We're expecting that widespread half-inch to an inch, potentially more, which would help alleviate the ongoing drought conditions across the area. And then just looking just through the next 7 days total, this includes Saturday night, Sunday, and anything that might fall Tuesday or Wednesday. So this would be welcome rainfall given the ongoing drought conditions again. So, and temperature-wise, you'll have the mild weather this weekend into early next week, and then you can see after Wednesday, we start to see cooler weather again. And actually, after the end of this graph, you'll probably see even cooler temperatures as we head into the latter part of next week. And then pretty good chances of rain Sunday and into Sunday night. Monday afternoon actually will be most likely dry across the area, and then lower end rain chances continue on Tuesday or Wednesday with that second cold front. And for their marine wind probabilities, note that these images only go through Saturday, so it doesn't include Sunday or Sunday night, but sub-small craft conditions are expected for the next few days. And again, going day by day, you can see a decent potential for small craft conditions with gusts to 25, potentially a little higher across the area. And that's mainly Sunday night before winds diminish a little bit Monday and turn to the west. Again, maximum wind gusts are generally going to be in the 25 to 30 knot range out of the south. Sunday to Sunday night with seas of 4 to 6 feet. Certainly nothing out of the ordinary for this time of year. And going through the detailed marine wind gust and wave forecast, you can see pretty benign marine conditions for late December expected through Sunday morning. Then you'll get an increase in south winds later Sunday night. And behind that cold front, again, since it's a weak cold front, we're really not expecting much of a surge behind there as winds turn more to the west. So sub-small craft conditions likely returning early next week. Again, the ongoing drought conditions, they're worse across the northeast part of the area. But the good news, again, is that widespread rainfall that we're expecting this weekend, especially Sunday, hopefully will help alleviate some of that, since it's, again, looking like a good shot at a widespread. Potentially, if you add in Saturday, Sunday, the whole weekend, Sunday night, could be a widespread inch of rain, which would be welcome. And then looking out ahead, this is through next week, generally near average temperatures. But after we get beyond this period, you're likely going to start to see a stretch of below average temperatures after, the 2nd, 3rd, 4th of January. And then near average precipitation chances as we enter the new year. And with that, I'll leave the main points up, and at this point, I'm going to stop the recording, and I'm more than happy to answer any specific questions. Thank you for your time.